Yo, what's up? Today I want to talk about bench press and how you can optimize your bench press to build a nice solid chest. So here are the 5 things you can implement immediately, and that is number 1, your posture. You see, posture is a most fundamental part in order to get a good chest. So the step to have a strong, good posture for your bench press is first you need to keep your shoulder low and bring your shoulder backward. This will keep your shoulder in a correct position to minimize the risk of getting injuries. And the next posture you want to pay attention is your back, right? So when doing a bench press, I will recommend you to give a little bit slight arch on your lower back. This will help your bench press to use a little bit of lower body drive and to keep your upper body upright. And also your shoulder is very important. Always keep your shoulder low and backward. In fact, by just adjusting all this posture, you already look like you have a good chest already because see, everything is upright. So tip number 2 is your positioning. 2 things in bench press is number 1, the placement of the bar. You should place yourself high underneath the bar. And number 2 is the width of your grip. I'm not a fan of going too wide grip, and I'm not a fan of going too close grip for a barbell bench press. However, this is just a variations. There are close grip bench press, there are wide grip bench press, but today it's just all about the fundamentals. So a good position to start with is place your arms slightly wider than shoulder width. So the basic positioning of the bar is try to place them in center of your chest. Okay, if anything too high, you will risk of high elbow. This will give a lot of stress to your shoulder. If you keep your elbow a little bit low, it is great. It triggers more chest, especially the upper chest also. However, anything too low will trigger a lot of triceps. Right? When you do a bench press, you want to maximize your chest, it's not only your triceps. So number 3 is alignment. Make sure you place your elbow and your wrist form a straight line when you do a bench press. I personally find that many people actually overlook this. They just want to get straight to their set. So from now onwards, pay a little bit of attention of your alignment. This will definitely help you to improve your performance of your bench press. And the 4th tips to improve your bench press to maximize your chest growth is play around with different equipment. So if you are in the gym, play around with dumbbell. If you are lucky enough, you have chest press machine, work on a machine, work on a cable, and also barbell, right? Do not stick to only one exercises. This is how you progress over time, training the muscles that you can't see, like the rotator cuff, the forearms, and ultimately get more confidence doing bench press. And last but not least, your mind-muscles connection is very important, right? Studies have shown that if you can engage your muscles, you can feel your muscles for bench press or any chest exercises, you will have better advantage in building the muscles that you want to train, right? So one tip is try to flex your chest, right? This requires practice and also this requires muscle mass. So beginners out there, this is a little bit hard for you because probably when you just started, you don't have the muscle to flex at first. But over time, give it a try. I personally find that bringing your arms close together and resisting them together will give tension to the chest. And practice this, especially right after your bench press. Spend about 5 seconds squeezing your chest. Do this. It's not going to be weird because you'll be wearing shirt. Not like me. If I do this, then it's definitely weird because people can see my chest. Alright, give it a try, right? Practice makes progress. So I hope you find all this information benefit and ultimately you have to put it into practice. Now if you find this useful, this is just part of tiny bit of the entire training program that I've designed. Check out the link below. This is where I get my full-fledged resistance training program that what helped me to get this physique, right? And the good news is now I'm offering 7 days free trial, right? No commitment, give it a shot, and if you love it, commit it. So I'll see you in the next post.